Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to simplify this expression, which is 8 square root of 5 plus square root of 20 plus square root of 125. So this is a third expression which is having radical sign. This sign is called the radical sign or the square root sign. First of all, we'll start and rewrite this expression. So that's 8 square root of 5 plus square root of 20 minus square root of 125. We'll go in the same sequence. So 8 square root of 5 we cannot further simplify because 5 is a prime number. So we'll write it as is, plus square root of 20. So for finding the square root of 20 or for simplifying this, we are going to write the factors of 20. So 4 times 5 is the factor of 20 minus 125. Now here we are going to write the factors of 125. And we know that 5 is a factor of 125. So we can write it as 5 times 5, which is 25 times 5. These are the factors of 125. If you don't know the factor of any number, you can find it through prime factorization by dividing the number using prime numbers. Now next step is to write 8 square root of 5 plus 4 we can write in terms of square, which is 2 square times 5 minus, here 5 we can write as square because there are two 5s, so we can write it as 5 square times 5. We can even write it as 5 cube. This is a square root, we are using square. So that's 5 square. These square numbers are under the square root sign, so we can write it as 8 square root of 5 plus, so we can write it as 2 square times square root of 5 minus, here we can write it as 5 square times square root of 5. Here we have used a simple rule of radicals, which is square root of a times b can be written as square root of a times square root of b. So here we have written 2 square times 5 can be written as square root of 2 square times square root of 5. Now let's come to the next step, which is 8 square root of 5 plus this 2 square under the square root sign can be written as 2 square whole raised to power 1 by 2 in index form square root of 5 minus, this can be written as 5 square times 5 square whole raised to power 1 by 2 times square root of 5. These two numbers we have written in index form because these will come out of the square root sign. So that's 8 square root of 5 plus 2 raised to power 2 upon 2 times square root of 5 minus 5 raised to power 2 upon 2 times square root of 5. Solving this will be 8 square root of 5 plus 2. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we have 2 times square root of 5 minus, here 2 we have this 2 and this 2 which is cancelled. So we have 5 times square root of 5, or this is 8 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 5. This can be written as 2 square root of 5. The same rule we have used here in the reverse direction. Square root of a times square root of b is equal to square root of a times b. The two numbers will come in the single square root or single root or radical sign. Here too we have 5 square root of 5. In all these numbers, there's one common number which is square root of 5. So we can take that common. So that's 8 plus 2 minus 5 times square root of 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So that's 5 square root of 5. This is our final answer. So this is how we solve these kinds of radical expressions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.